Hello and welcome to Warren in the Tent. Today we're going to take a little look at solid fuel tablets. Now they're interesting, made of alcohol, good and all that. Let's up the purpose. Number one, we got one of these, okay? But let's use some candle wax instead. Easier to use, but let's add something else. Let's add some, your basic torchlight for lanterns and so forth. Right? They burn. They both burn. Right? But you know what? Use a cotton bud as well. When you use one of these trays, which you get for small candles, you know what we're going to do? We're going to turn all that into a fuel system. One of these. Anyway, let's get started. Alright, so first we're gonna melt these on the basic stove, and you know what? Knock the heat up a little. No matter about these, the candles, they'll melt. Just melt them like this. They'll be fine. Okay, so that was me melting that down. Now, there's about a couple packs worth of that. So it's very important, the next stage, right, is to turn off your stove, because you don't want this stuff to catch on and grab this. So, child-proofed. As a child, I could open these things with that out. Right, so what about, good amount of this. We'll say about that much, which is about half a liter. And we've got about half a liter of things, so probably a little too much. Let's lower that down. We got about 300 mils. 300 mils? Now, it's just basic stuff used for, what is it? Now, you could use kerosene as well. You could use other things, but my suggestion is try use something that's double purpose, because it keeps mosquitoes away as well. Right? So I'm going to pour this into this, and there we go. Now we have fuel. I'll just this all mix. Right, and I'll take my camera over here. Okay, so that is your fuel tablets. Now, you're probably wondering, what was it I put in there? Cotton buds, just basic cotton buds, right? Why? It's like a wick, okay? It's like a wick, helps burn, okay? In camping scenarios, you always want to have lightweight gear, and candles are great. Okay, so when these are dry, I'll show you what the end result is, and we'll light one of these up and let you see how well they work. Alright, so it took about an hour, dries up, all ready to go. For safety, wrap your tool tablet up. It's quite easy. Bring it up, across, up, across, up and across, underneath. You know what? So you know what they look like. Give it a crunch like that. There you go. All safe for traveling in your backpack. Got my camping stove. Let's pop it in the center. Now, I'm not going to boil nothing right now. Right? I'm just going to light it up and show you it working. So, here we go. So, good old matches. This is why we use the cotton buds, so it has something to burn onto. Just gonna leave that there for a sec. Should catch up a sec. As you can see, fire. One fuel tablet. As you can see, containing this in the thing there has allowed it to melt, light up, and you get good flame. And it's not just going to disappear in a hurry. It's more than enough to cook up or boil up some water. So as you can see, it's very good, works well, awesome in its quality. And the best thing about it is, as you can see, I had that going for about 4 or 5 minutes. It's more than enough to boil water. And the best thing is because it's contained, you don't have to use the whole thing, and you can use it a few times, which is way more efficient than the current fuel systems and even the gels they currently have online. So this here, it's like a one-time use thing, pretty useless. But this one here, as you can see, here it is in my unit right here. It's still there. Bit hot right now, can't really touch it. But I can use it again and again, making it the more efficient survival tool. And the best thing is, with your excess wax, you can keep these little tinier ones without anything on it. And when it comes to something like dry wood that you can't get going, just wipe it across the dry wood, light it up, you've got your campfire going. So helps you with dry wood as well. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye everybody.